Hello again, you guys, and welcome to episode 2 of What's Wearing, filmed here at Midwest Film Factory. Today I wanted to focus on outfits that you can wear to your company picnic or your company outing. A lot of businesses will have events that are primarily outdoors where you'll go to a local park or to a zoo, you'll go golfing, you'll go to a baseball game, things like that, or the company employees can just go out and socialize and be thanked for their work for the year. And I think this is kind of an event, a professional event that doesn't get a lot of consideration in terms of like outfits that you can wear. And if you wanted to kind of elevate your presentation for that one day, I have 3 outfit ideas on this beautiful rack here to show you guys, and why don't I just jump right into it. I'll go change really quick and we'll get right into outfit number 1. Now this is an outfit that for me has a lot more color than I'm usually used to, but when I saw this shirt I just knew I had to have it. It's a pretty ridiculous looking shirt. It definitely has a bit of a vintage look. Very retro, and I like it a lot. It's definitely a step out of my comfort zone. And this outfit here is really good for a lot of your outdoor days when you're going to be walking a lot. Maybe you're going to the zoo for your company outing. So I just have a basic pair of skinny jeans from Levi's. They're just, your high-waisted, dark wash, high-rise skinny jeans. I've honestly had these for probably 5 or 6 years now, and they still look pretty good. There's pretty minimal fading after 6 years of like constant wear and wash. So Levi's typically are going to be a good investment for you. I have this basic cropped denim jacket here, which a lot of retailers have cropped denim jackets. It's really not a difficult thing to find. It's a pretty low to moderate priced item. You can find one between $30 and $60 at a number of retailers. And then I have this vintage top that I was mentioning before. I got it secondhand off of Poshmark, but I believe the original retailer was ASOS. That's ASOS, ASOS. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's kind of up in the air as to how that's pronounced. But it's just a nice geometric retro style top with white buttons down the front. There's a decent sized pocket up here that actually will fit my iPhone 8. And it has the scooped hems, which I think is pretty flattering, more flattering than just a straight across hemline. What's also nice is that, like, let's say you get too warm, you just pop the jacket off. And then we have left this very retro, vibrant shirt in all its glory. And what's also nice about the design of this shirt, at least, is that I think the retailer was aware that a lot of people were going to want to roll the sleeves up like I do with a lot of my shirts. And I think that rolling up the sleeves on a lot of shirts also helps create kind of a more fitted look, so you don't look like you're swimming as much in your tops. And then we also have a pair of Converse sneakers. They're a little beaten up, they're a little discolored because they're basically white shoes, so who would have seen that coming? Not me, apparently. And I've been wearing the heck out of these Converse sneakers here. And they're high tops, which also kind of contributes to the whole retro vibe I have going here. Alright, so that was outfit number 1, and I'll just go change real quick and we'll jump right into outfit number 2. Hello again, you guys, and welcome to outfit number 2 for our little theme of company outings and company picnics and things like that. I feel like this outfit is very good for events like baseball games where you're going to be doing a lot of sitting, a lot of baking in the sun, and perhaps some light walking on top of that. This shirt is actually my mom's old farming shirt. I have no idea how old it is really. I would say probably late 80s, early 90s. I'd have to ask her. But I have even worn it farming when I used to live on my parents' farm. But since I no longer live on a farm, now I just have to wear it like a normal person, which isn't so bad. And on top of that, I have these jeans, which I got from American Eagle. They're the same jeans that I wore in episode 1, the American Eagle mom jeans. Now, these are just in the black shade, obviously. It's a good jean, it's a comfortable fit. Oftentimes mom jeans are made with kind of better material, more closely related to actual cotton material, whereas a lot of other jeans have so many stretchy fabrics mixed in, which can be great if that's what you want. But for people that want denim that looks and feels like denim, you want something that, gears more toward the real denim cotton feel, and that's what these jeans are. Okay, so I had to stop filming temporarily because I got the freaking hiccups of all things. These shoes are pretty popular styles. I'm back now, but I just wanted real quick to tell you about the shoes I have on. I call them mule slides. Some other retailers call them different things, but they're very popular shoe style right now, and they're pretty good investment, especially when you get a basic color like black. And they're also great for the warmer weather because the open back lets a little more air come in through your feet. So that's always a great thing in the warmer weather. I wouldn't recommend them if you have to walk long distances because these can kind of dig into your toes. It's not a great feeling to have faux leather kind of rubbed against your feet, but at the same time, they're great if you're not intending to do a whole lot of walking. If you do end up doing some light walking, it's not a big deal at all. You'll be totally fine. But they're just a nice shoe that's just kind of a step up from your average sneaker, or so you don't have to wear high heels but can still look dressed up. And let's say that it gets a little chilly at this baseball game or whatever event that your company decided to put together. I just have this sweater here that you can throw on over this outfit. I got this sweater secondhand from Untitled LOFT. It's just a nice dusty turquoise teal kind of color, and I'll just throw it on real quick just so you can see what it looks like with this outfit. Go. Try not to screw up my hair here. Wiggle it out. And with an outfit like this, I would kind of mildly tuck the sweater a little bit to let the belt buckles still show. I think letting the belt buckle show kind of helps define the difference between your torso and your legs. I think it kind of like keeping the sweater up higher, allowing more of the pant to show kind of helps elongate the legs. And so this outfit is pretty comfortable, but also pretty stylish if that's what you're looking for your company outing event. Alright guys, so that was outfit number 2 for our little theme of company outing workwear outfits. Now I'm going to do one last change into outfit number 3, and I'll see you guys in just a moment. Hello again, you guys, and here we have outfit number 3 for our little themed video of company outings. And I have here an outfit that would be really good for just about anything, whether it's the zoo, the baseball game, the company picnic, the golf outing, things like that. So this t-shirt I have here is really nice, light, breathable, good for warmer weather and if you're going to be outdoors for quite a long time, featuring this whole minimalistic line drawing of a face on it. Now this whole style is rather popular right now with the simple search on the internet. You shouldn't have too hard of a time finding a shirt that looks like this one. I don't know what brand this shirt is from. I snagged it off of Poshmark for $8. The brand name was not listed and there is no tag on the inside of the shirt telling me what brand it is. I just know it's pretty much a pretty basic white t-shirt with a graphic screened on the front of it. This belt is the same one that you saw in episode 1. It's just the $10 braided belt from Walmart in like the brown leather color with the gold hardware. And then these pants I also got off of Poshmark. They are vintage from a company called Style & Connections. I couldn't tell you what decade these pants are from, but I can tell you that it is not this one. And these shoes, which have seen better days, they're kind of old at this point. They are very grubby, but they're still comfortable. I still like them, and they haven't fallen apart yet, so I'm going to wear them until they do fall apart. I actually got these shoes for less than like $6 at Walmart. They're kind of a Keds knockoff. I'm a big fan of Keds, however, I don't always want to just pay the price of actual Keds. So these shoes are kind of my my gateway to the Keds look without the Keds price tag. And then I also have this sweater, just in case it gets colder at your event, in case you need to know what the heck do I put on top of this getup. With this getup where it kind of looks like I just got done wading in a river. But we have this sweater here, which is like a dark forest green color. It's a nice chunky knit, and it's a cropped sweater, which is a good idea to have. Because although I'm a huge fan of like long cardigans and long line blazers, it is also a good idea to have kind of the cropped jacket option, specifically for pants like this, which are kind of wider and puffier than your average pair of skinny jeans. And it just does look better to have a jacket or layer over the top that kind of stops where the pants begin. Because if you were to put on a long line cardigan on top of this, it would kind of just make you look very blocky, and it would kind of take away from your natural shape. So a cropped option like this kind of keeps you warm without sacrificing the shape of the outfit, which is great. These high-waisted old-fashioned pants are very much in style right now, but it's also one of those styles of pants where even if it may not be in the main eye of the style world right at this second, it's never really going to go away. This kind of pant has been around for like decades on decades on decades, and it never really went away. It's just like maybe it wasn't full on in attention, but it's still here. So it is a good item to invest your money into, because even if like in 2 years from now people have kind of stopped wearing pants like this, it doesn't mean you have to. So I have greatly enjoyed investing my money in several of these old-fashioned pairs of pants. I really love them. Okay, so that was outfit number 3 of our little themed video of company outing workwear that you can wear to whatever event that your company kind of schedules once a year. These are outfits that you can look nice but also function in the outdoors in, and a lot of them feature a lot of basic and timeless pieces that are worth your money to invest in if that's what you want to do. My name is Lydia Waring. Thank you so much for tuning in to episode 2 of What's Waring, filmed here at Midwest Film Factory. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.